A severe winter storm will have a significant impact throughout the region. In almost places, you can expect at least 8 foot of snow by the time we've entered Tuesday night. The NOS recently issued a winter storm warning for the most region. The storm could bring up to 20 inches of snow to the southern half of Minnesota, including the Twin Cities. In the winter, with more than 55 inches of snow already fallen in a midweek, recent could make at least of the worst snowstorm on record. National Weather Service said 2 feet of snow is currently expected due to winter blizzard. The worst condition will be from the Wednesday evening to Tuesday, as heavy snowfall combined with a 13 to 14 millihours northeast wind gust. The Twin Cities metro area appears to be at the epicenter of the potentially historic and dangerous blizzards. Here is a breakdown of the expected amount of snow in the cities and suburbs across the metro. A winter storm warning have been posted in the central and southern Minnesota, and 2 snowfalls are expected to bring 16 to 22 inches of snow. The storm will be a strong winter event that will occur in 2 waves, the second bringing in a heavy snow. The first wave is expected to arrive Tuesday afternoon and continue into early Wednesday morning, bringing 3 to 5 inches of snow. After a brief lull on Wednesday morning before noon, the second wave is expected to hit from the late Wednesday evening to Tuesday afternoon, with the potential for 12 inches or more of snow.